it's very important that the drivers get recognition. And with CEAT doing its bit, we feel that not only the industry but even there's a lot of talk about drivers. There's a lot of talk about driver shortage, and the fact that CEAT is doing its bit is making a lot of difference to the industry.
Okay. So you having won this very influential award, and you are in a very influential position now to speak to the youngsters who could be a really strong force driving this industry tomorrow. So what kind of advice? Sorry. Okay. So what kind of advice would you give to these youngsters?
See, it's about being a game changer. It's about bringing in new technology, adopting the best practices, and that's what we at Bhuruka are doing. We are bringing youngsters to always look for something new, to think out of the box, and to bring in the best of practices that can be brought in from the global scenario. In the sense that if there are a lot of things that are happening in India today, which sorry, there are a lot of things happening globally which is not happening in India, and the main problem is that people feel that the customers are going to resist any change, or the industry is not going to accept any new technology. But from the last couple of years, the things that we are doing, we find that a lot of the things a lot of things that are happening differently are being appreciated by the clients. And I feel that when people talk about being an entrepreneur, it's about being different, and that's what has brought us here today.
Okay. So a lot of ideas were thrown out in the panel discussion today, and a lot of possibly suggestions came out, and a lot of ways in which the regulatory structure and all those things can help this industry in the years to come. So how do you think those ideas that were theorized here today can be brought to reality, can be actually implemented in the reforms and policies?
See, I would like to say that there's always going to be a lot of criticism in any industry. People are going to say that the government is not doing its bit, or the customers are not appreciating the efforts that are being made by the transport industry. But I feel that if you're going to think out of the box and be a little different, and try to bring in innovative practices with the use of technology, you can always overcome these hurdles, and always look at bringing in better services which will be appreciated by the clients. And this is what we are about.
So one last thing. Although the youth of India could be the driving force of this industry tomorrow, but my guess would be that a lot of the youth is not interested proactively in joining this industry. So what's that one thing that could drive them into joining this industry and hence contributing?
See, I'll just give you an example. Today we met one of the other transport companies who are our competitors in the market. But some of the thoughts that they shared with me, they were talking about, this is a very big opportunity that's going to help the industry turn its fortunes. And I feel that, the young generation, which is not wanting to come into the industry, is going to find that, coming together, using technology and better communication is going to actually help them take this trade to the next level.
Thanks a lot, sir, and congratulations once again.
I'm going to rephrase that. I'm going to tell the youth of the country that the transport industry is a growing segment, and with the help of new practices, with the help of better technology, the scope of the industry can change drastically. The fact that companies like CEAT India Road Transport is recognizing the transport industry and is doing its level bit to bring us to the limelight is making a lot of difference to our portfolio. And the young generation is the kind of people who are going to actually make the difference. So I would appeal to the youth to get into this line.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.